Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, I'm here again with a Forex trading broker offering a $100 no deposit bonus in 2024. Before I explain how to get the bonus, I want to recommend watching this video for a complete understanding of the process and terms and conditions. Trading No Deposit Bonus $100 free 2024. GOFX, latest promotions, trading bonus $100 free. GOFX offers a $100 free no deposit bonus in 2024. This is a free trading bonus for new customers. You can try the GOFX trading system under real market conditions without depositing any money or risking your own investment. When you claim this bonus, the bonus funds will be added to your account automatically. However, you need to trade a total of 15 lots within 30 days of receiving the bonus to withdraw the funds. Deposit money first. Just verify your phone number, OTP, and confirm eKYC and you can start trading with GOFX. Bonus money is automatically credited to your account. Special privileges for new customers. Get leverage up to 1 to 500. Only orders held for 15 minutes or more are counted. Trade 15 lots, standard, after receiving the $100 bonus within 30 days to receive the money coupon. Get it for free. $100 coupon only valid for one time. When the conditions are complete, contact the staff to receive a money coupon. Only MT5 platform type. How to get trading bonus. GOFX offers a free trading bonus. Just 4 steps. Get $100 bonus. Verify your phone number and confirm eKYC and you can start trading with GOFX to verify your account identity. Open a real login to the members area, using the information you receive via email trading account. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.